Hello everyone. My name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So, today I am talking about how to improve our spoken English. One of my friends, he was telling me, Lavanya, how to improve our spoken English. She don't know how to speak. She was asking me, I know read and I know writing and I understand English. But when I speak, so at that times I'm feeling hesitation and nervousness. So how to remove our hesitation and nervousness? So at that times I'm saying, don't be worried, just you are learning English. So first you think whatever when you think, so at that times you implement you in yourself. And I am saying, she was telling, Lavanya, when I think in Hindi, so at that times you think in English, and then you think in English, and then you translate in English also. And while we think in English, so at that times we speak in English language, so it's improve your spoken English. We in our side, what happened in our side, why we hesitate, and why we when we talk in English, so at that times why we fear and hesitation and nervousness, just because we think on Hindi language and our mother tongue. So don't think in your mother tongue and don't think in your Hindi. While we really you want to improve your spoken English, so first you think in English and then you talk in English. Why made this video just especially for learner? Earlier I am also learner and now I am also learner. What happened earlier, even my brother have three kids, and three kids also going to English medium. And then every day I talk with them, and even I read some book. There were story book also, English related story book. And even I talk. Why I am talk? Because she knows English very well. Why? Because she was schooling in English medium. So that's why. Every day I talk. Every day I talk, and even every day I read, and even every day I write also. Earlier, what happened? Earlier, I know English very well, and I read and write also. And while I am speaking in English, so I am very fumble and even suffering also. Just because I didn't have, you know, you can say like I didn't have in my mind while I am speaking, so I am totally blank. That kind of question in our mind also. And even nowadays you want to literally become a fluent speaker, so first you read and write and you speak. More you speak, so better you can. So first you speak whatever you want to speak. People judge, people laugh at me also. And sometimes what happened, earlier I was connected co-learner every day in Affluency app. So at that time people judge, she don't know English, and while we speak so fumble and shivering also. Why? Because I don't know literally, but at that times I am learning and enhance my body language. And then at that times I'm also, while I'm speaking, so first I give my introduction. Because when we go especially for interview and even another, like even friends and family, so at that time first you interrupt with people, so first you speak in, we speak in Hindi and we speak in mother tongue. So and even friend circle we talk in English, so at that times you literally you want to speak very well, so first you improve your introduction. you know why I am saying again and again, because nowadays every people want to speak more, and every people, especially for company, and whenever you go for outside, and especially for you can say like you are a traveling purpose, and you are a traveling person, so first you speak in English language, so at that times your impression like look like a wow. Why I am saying, just because you literally enhance your body language and enhance your personality, and you speak very well, so people appreciate also. Because nowadays every, especially for company, want to speak like fluent. you know you are interested to go for IT sector, and you are in engineer and another field like especially for doctor and IT sector. So at that times you good at in English language, so people appreciate also. And even you you give job also easily. They give job also easily. Why? Because you know English very well, and you don't know English, so how to connect with people and how to go for another country. Even nowadays every, even you can say like to be honest, nowadays uh, especially for when we go for like application, so at that time there were English related to, how to, you can say like English related to question answer, and you know English very well, you speak very well, you read very well, and you write very well, so you easy to connect other, and you are a confident. Earlier I am very underconfident girl, and I am regret myself. Why I am regret myself? Because I don't know English, and when I talk in English, so I am fumble and even shivering also. But now I connect easy people, even my state also and another state also. And basically in my state, so there are no any environment, very well, because I'm in Chhattisgarh. And while I'm speaking in English, so at that times people saying you are literally in Chhattisgarh. So yes, I'm in Chhattisgarh. But you know English very well. How to know you English very well? That kind of question. So at that times, I'm feeling blessed. Yes, I know English very well. Sometimes I make mistake. It's okay, yaar. Don't. It's not a big deal. Why are you thinking? Every people make mistake. Even we talk in Hindi language and Chhattisgarhi language. So at that times we fumble and make mistake, so that times people ignore, and while we speak in English language, so people judge and laugh. They don't know English literally, they don't know English, you can say like native speaker. But why we laugh? Just because when we literally you progress in yourself, so they people pull your leg also. Why pull your leg? Just because they didn't want to go for higher study, and they didn't want to build your confidence. Even my friend also, they didn't support me, because I know English very well. And nowadays every day I put video, English to related video, and they jealous also. Why? Just because they don't know English, so it's okay. Who's scared? I don't know. And even I'm not, I ignore that kind of people, and I literally ignore that kind of people, and I didn't talk any people. I talk on myself. I'm very talkative person, literally. Earlier I'm very, you can say like underconfident girl, but now I'm too much confident girl, just because I build my personality, and I appreciate my personality, and every day I gratitude myself. Just because when we gratitude yourself, so you build your confidence. You regret day like regular basis, I'm a loser, I didn't you can say like I don't know. And when I connect with a stranger, so at that times I'm feeling shy. So why you think like this? And even one of my friends, he was also telling, Lavanya, I didn't have confidence. And he was telling me, when I put motivational video and related to English video, so at that times he was saying, who's give every day, you can say like stories, and who gives idea that to put that kind of video. But literally, no anyone suggests me, and no anyone push me. One of my friend, he is in Odisha, and he also appreciate me, and he also, when I ask like related to English, so he was also supporting me, and he was a very nice guy, and he was teaching me also. And when he was free, so now I am following grammar video, and he was suggesting because Lavanya, you really want to speak fluent, and you really was to speak native speaker, so first you improve your grammar. So nowadays, literally, I am focusing grammar video related to English, related to grammar video. Also, I'm watching, but while I'm watching, I don't know. I'm feeling, you can say like, oh my God, this is not my cup of tea. I can't do. But I am literally want to become a fluent speaker, so that's why I remove my comfort zone, out of my comfort zone. Nowadays, I'm following that kind of video, just because I want to really want to become a fluent speaker. So that's why. And let's see what happened. But I promised myself as soon as possible I achieve my fluency. Sometimes, I mug up when I talk stranger, and sometimes I'm thinking, oh my God, again I'm making mistake. So that kind of silly question in my mind. But literally, sometimes I'm saying, don't think, Lavanya, you can. Whatever you want to, so you can, you do it. Literally, you want to achieve your fluency, so don't afraid and don't scared. You can go whatever you want to. So you every day watch, related to English video, and listening more and more, and even write and reading also. So every day I write, reading, and even I'm listening podcast video. I watch podcast video related to English. Literally, I'm while I'm go YouTube channel. So when you while I'm go, whenever I have free time, so I go only for watch related to English video. I don't know, literally I'm very crazy about learn this language. And even my mama also saying, Lavanya, you are literally too much crazy. I don't know why you speak in English. When you speak, nowadays I am speaking sometimes in English language. So even my family sometimes is scolding me, you are too much crazy about learn this language. But literally I'm crazy. I don't know when I promised myself, literally, and when I promised myself, literally, I want to, you can say, like, as soon as possible, achieve my fluency. So I'm totally focused. Now I'm totally focused only for my learning English. So, uh, you can say you really want to become a fluent speaker, so please speak whatever you want to speak, so please speak. And there were number of you can say like app you can go and connect people like stranger and you talk, no anyone judge. Why? Because they also learner, you know and earlier I am also that kind of problem I am facing, because some people only for just like time pass types, they that kind of apps. So people sometimes only just time pass, and they didn't literally want to become a fluent speaker. And I'm saying you literally want to become a fluent speaker, so please, whatever you want to speak and whatever you want to watch English related video, and motivational video related to English. Some people think I watched more motivational videos, so you follow speak on you follow related to motivational video, so it's helpful your learning journey. Why I am saying, you know because English language nowadays most important. You know very well in English, so you easy to survive in your state, in your other state, and you want to go for another state, so you easy to survive, and people also appreciate you. And you don't know English, so no one appreciate you. You speak in Hindi, everyone know yaar Hindi, it's not a big deal. One I give example, we are a child, so at that times गिर जाते थे फिर उठ जाते थे, गिर जाते थे फिर उठ जाते थे, बट हम चलना नहीं छोड़ते थे, पता है। तो इसमें भी ऐसे है, पीपल हंसेंगे, हंसने दो, इट्स ओके, वो कैर्स यार, हंस रहा है उसको हंसने दो। मैं तो किसी का भी वो नहीं करती, पता है मेरे को कौन क्या बोल रहा है कौन क्या नहीं बोल रहा है, मेरे को उससे इतना सा भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता। मैं क्या चाहती हूँ, लिटरली आई वॉन्ट टू, आप क्या चाहते हो, तो उस चीज में आप वर्क करो, मत भागो उस चीज से। तो फर्स्ट आप गिरो एंड इसके बाद संभलो। तो गिर के ही संभलना का नाम तो जिंदगी है यार। मैंने भी बहुत गिरा है एंड अभी मैंने संभला है। तो आप लोग संभलना चाहते हो तो पहले गिरो एंड उसके बाद संभलो। गलती होता है, होने दो, मेरे से भी गलती होता है, एंड मैं कभी थिंक नहीं करती हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, जो बोलना है बोलो। मैं तो स्ट्रेंजर लोग के साथ जो मन में आता है, इवन जब मेरा कन्वर्सेशन वीडियो होता है, जो मन में आता है मैं सब बोल देती हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। गलत समझ रहे हो, समझने दो। यही बोलेंगे कि बंदी को अच्छे से इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, बट मैंने ट्राई तो किया यार। मैंने बोला तो, हम ट्राई ही नहीं करेंगे, हम सोचेंगे कि अरे मेरे को ये जज करेगा वो जज करेगा, तो उसके चक्कर में आप कभी नहीं सीख पाओगे। ट्राई करो, सीखो, एंड जो चाहते हो आप वो चीज पालोगे। क्योंकि इंग्लिश अभी इतना मस्ट हो गया है, अभी के बच्चे जितने भी इंग्लिश मीडियम में जा रहे हैं, उधर पूरा फराटे डाल इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं। जब आप पेरेंट्स बनोगे तब आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आपको अच्छी से नहीं आएगी, तो आपको खुद के ऊपर में इम्बैलेंस होगा। तो अभी टाइम है, आप हाउस वाइफ हो, स्टडिंग पर्सन हो, जॉब होल्डर हो, आप कुछ भी हो, आप लोग सीखो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा, कि अपने आप को तो आना चाहिए इंग्लिश। सेलिब्रिटी लोग को कितने कितने पढ़ाई की है सेलिब्रिटी लोग, भाई ये बताओ। कौन 10वीं पास है, कौन 12वीं पास है, बट दे नो इंग्लिश वेरी वेल। व्हाई? क्योंकि उन लोग का प्रोफेशन ऐसा ही है, और उनको पूरा जितने भी ये जो क्या बोलते हैं, उन लोग को जितने भी जो पढ़ाया हुआ है ना, उन लोग को टीचर, प्राइवेट टीचर उनके हैं, बट हमारे पास कोई प्राइवेट टीचर नहीं है। खुद को सीखना है, खुद के लिए खुद को आपको लड़ना है, और लिटरली आप चाहते हो तो उसके लिए फाइट करो एंड सीखो। बोलते हैं सीखो ऐप में चले जाओ, वहां के आपको अच्छे टीचर मिल जाएंगे, तो कहीं नहीं जाना है, चुपचाप मेरा वीडियो देखो आप लोग। और वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करो, क्योंकि आप लोग लाइक करते हो, शेयर करते हो, सब्सक्राइब करते हो, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एक एक सब्सक्राइबर मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं बहुत हैप्पी हो जाती हूँ। वैसे तो मैं हैप्पी पर्सन हूँ, बिकॉज ये जो धूप आ रही है ना, मुझे धूप में थोड़ा सा सेकना था, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ वीडियो बना लिया। अरे आज जो मैंने टीका लगाया है, आज मेरा गुरुवार का फास्ट था, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा भगवान जी लोग को मानती हूँ। बता नहीं रही हूँ, जो मेरे को मेरा मन में रहता है मैं सब बता देती हूँ ना। तो 21 मिनट हो गई है, तो रखते हैं, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखिए एंड बाय, टेक केयर।